Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix Roblox when it won't join games on your mobile device. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, these simple steps should help you get back into your favorite experiences in no time. Let's start with the basics, freeing up your device's resources. First, make sure you close all running apps on your phone. Background apps can drain memory and cause Roblox to freeze or crash when loading a game. On iPhone, just swipe up from the bottom to bring up the app switcher and swipe up again on each app to close it. On Android, open the Recent Apps menu and clear everything. Once that's done, let's check your storage space. Roblox needs free storage to run properly, especially for downloading and loading new experiences. Go to your device settings. On iPhone, tap on General, then iPhone Storage, wait for it to load, and make sure you have at least 1 GB of free space available. If you're running low, delete unused apps, large videos, or files you no longer need. Next, it's time to clear Roblox's cache. This often fixes problems where the app won't load or connect to servers. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, find Roblox, and tap on Offload App. This will remove cache data without deleting your game info. Then reinstall Roblox from the App Store. If you're on Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Roblox, and then Storage. Then tap on Clear Cache. You can also hit Clear Data if the problem persists. Just note this will reset the app. After doing all that, reopen Roblox and try joining a game again. You should now be able to load into experiences without any issues. If it still doesn't work, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're running the latest version of Roblox. That's it for this quick fix guide. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what device you're using so I can tailor future Roblox troubleshooting videos for you.